Here's an attractive solution from KRONE for fast and easy changing of disc mower knives. Powered by compressed air, it's called QuickChange and takes just seconds. Thanks to QuickChange, fitting replacement blades is now much easier compared with standard solutions. Here's how it works. The QuickChange tool is attached between disc and spring plate. By activating the lever, the QuickChange claws depress the knife holding plate. This exposes the knife pin on one side and allows blade removal, quickly and safely. Blades are then reversed and refitted or simply replaced. After the blade is in place, the QuickChange lever is again pressed. Pressure on the spring plate is released and this locks the knife pin, and the blade is securely attached and ready for mowing. With the help of QuickChange, downtime is reduced. The advantages of QuickChange are fast and stress-free work and a more ergonomic working position. QuickChange is ideal for the workshop or for use out in the field when a tractor-mounted compressor is available.